गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and lovely kids. It is with immense joy and pride that I welcome each one of you to Avriti 2024, the first annual day celebration of Advikam School of Dance. Tonight, It's not just a celebration, it is a milestone, a dream come true for our school, which was founded in 2022 with a vision of nourishing the art of Bharatnatyam and Mohiniyattam. Advikam School of Dance, under the guidance of its founder and director, Srimati Urmila Mullapilli, a passionate and practitioner of Bharatnatyam and Mohiniyattam, with a master's degree in Bharatnatyam and a diploma in Mohiniyattam, is committed to preserving and spreading the essence of classical dance. In just 2 years, we have grown into the vibrant community of over 20 students, all bound by their love for dance. This evening is particularly special as most of young dancers will be gracing the stage for the first time, presenting the enchanting Kavitvam, a mesmerizing blend of rhythm and poetry that beautifully showcases their devotion and artistry. Their hard work, dedication, and enthusiasm over the past months are what makes this event a reality. Let us celebrate their journey, honor their courage, and enjoy an evening of pure artistry. Without further ado, let us immerse ourselves in the rhythm and grace the Avarti 2024. As we begin this special evening, it is tradition to invoke divine blessings by lighting a ceremonial lamp, symbolizing knowledge, wisdom, and prosperity. This sacred act marks the auspicious start of Avarti 2024, the first annual day celebration of Advikam School of Dance. I am delighted to invite our esteemed chief guest, Srimati Sisira Das, a revered Bharatnatyam dancer, educator, and the creative director of Samaveda Center for Arts, to lead this ceremony. Please, ma'am. Joining her, I humbly request the presence of Sri MP Unni Krishnan, the proud father of our founder, Srimati Urmila Mullapalli, Srimati Indira Devi, the loving mother of Srimati Urmila Mullapalli, Shruti ma'am, our talented vocalist who lends soul to every performance, Naveen sir, our skilled rhythm artist whose beats and rhythm to our art, Nikhil sir, our gifted flutist whose melodies elevate the dance to another lamp. Together, let us light the lamp and invoke divine blessings for success of this event and the continued growth of Advikam School of Dance. I request everyone to please assemble.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश पतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः गच्छामि मे सदा न भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः
I request Shekhar sir, please come on the stage.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणं तज्ज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं तज्ज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं तज्ज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं
Now, I would like to introduce the chief guest. It is my great honor and privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Srimati Sisira Das, who will address this gathering and grace us with her inspiring words. Srimati Sisira Das is a renowned Bharatanatyam dancer whose journey in the world of classical dance has been nothing short of extraordinary. From earning the prestigious Kalatilakam title at the younger age to pursuing the academic excellence with an MA in Bharatanatyam from Alliance University. She has continuously set a new benchmark in the field of classical dance. As the creative director of Samavedya Center for Arts in Bangalore, Srimati Sisira Das has dedicated herself to training and mentoring the next generation of dancers. Her contributions to art are the remarkable as her commitment to academic excellence, as she continues to expand her horizons through her ongoing PhD in dance. We are incredibly fortunate to have someone of her stature with us today, a passionate performer, an exceptional educator, and an inspirational mentor. Ma'am, your presence is a source of inspiration, and we eagerly look forward to hearing your words of wisdom. I kindly invite you to the stage to share thoughts with us. Please, ma'am.
A very good evening to all of you. Thank you for having me here today. It's a moment of great pleasure and pride for me as a teacher to see Urmila's growth. Congrats, Urmila, on your new achievement. I would start by saying that you are in a safest hand with Urmila as a teacher. I know her commitment and dedication as a dancer and a teacher. Training in classical dance impart wisdom and discipline to your daily life. So don't stop dancing, keep dancing always. Apart from the tangible benefits we get of physical fitness and mental well-being, it also keeps us grounded and closer to our roots. I'm eagerly waiting to see your performance today. I hope you all will enjoy today's first performance of Advigam School of Dance. Congrats, Urmila, once again, and all the best to all the students. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Your insights have truly enriched us, and we're grateful for the wisdom you have shared. On behalf of everyone here, I extend our deepest gratitude for gracing us with your presence and enriching this event. Thank you once again, ma'am. I would like to call Srimati Urmila Mullapalli to present a memento and token of appreciations to ma'am.
अगर भाई अब एक बार खेलो
Ma'am, for joining us today. To begin Avriti 2024, on an auspicious note, we seek the blessings of Lord Ganesha, the removal of obstacles and bringer of success, through a beautiful Ganesha Kavitam. Set in the majestic Rangam, Gambhira Natya and Talam Adi, this performance is a vibrant display of devotion and grace. I am pleased to present Prisha, Sikriti, and Janvi, three talented students of Advikam School of Dance who will mesmerize us with their artistry. Let us give them a round of applause. Vikriti and Janvi, for your wonderful performances on Ganesha Kavitram. Your grace and devotions have truly set the tone for this evening. Let's give them another round of applause, please. Next, we have delightful performance by the youngest star of Advikam School of Dance, who will present Mahaganapatim, a beautiful composition in Ragam Natai and Talam Adi, dedicated to Lord Ganesha. Let's warmly welcome Amaira, Akshara, Krishika, Pallavi, Harshita, Riddhi and Sanvi to the stage. Their enthusiasm and innocence are sure to light up the evening. Please give them a big round of applause. Let us first extend our heartfelt thanks to the Mahaganapatim team for their wonderful performances. These young and talented dancers, the youngest students of our school, have set the stage with their energy and devotions, reminding us of the beauty of learning and growing in the art of dance. Now, let us take a moment to acknowledge the unwavering dedication and passion of the performance we are about to witness. Manjusha and Madhumita. They are truly exemplars of balancing the demands of modern life and their love for the art of dance. Despite their commitment in the IT field, they have carved out time to immerse themselves in this divine art form, providing that passion can transcend the barriers of busy schedule. A special mention goes to Manjusha, who, a mother, beautifully juggled her responsibilities at home and work while nourishing her artistic spirit. Their perseverance is a testament to the power of commitment and the joy of pursuing one's dream. Please join me in welcoming these remarkable women as they present the soulful Devaranama Chandrachuda. Let their performance inspire us to pursue our passions with the same dedication and grace. Please give them a round of applause, please. Thank you. चंद्रचूड शिव शंकर पार्वती रमण निनगे चंद्रचूड शिव शंकर पार्वती रमण निनगे चंद्रचूड शिव शंकर पार्वती रमण चंद्रचूड Dedication to dance. These two remarkable women remind us that when passion drives us, we can overcome any challenges. Moving forward, we have a very special performance lined up. Please join me in welcoming Advika, the very first student of our school, and the talented daughter of Srimati Urmila ma'am. Advika begins her dance journey at the tender age of 3 and has since graced many respected stages with her talent and charm. She is shining example of how early nourishing and dedication can shape a bright future in the art. Now, she will present Ranjani Mala, a beautiful composition in Ragam Mallika and Talam Adi. Let us give her a warm round of applause as she takes the stage to share her love for dance with all of us.
re ga ma pa ma re ga ma pa ni sa ga ma sa ga 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 ma re ga ma ni sa ni sa ga ni ma ma ni ma ni ma ni ma ma ga ga ni sa ni sa sa ni ma ma ni ma ni ma ni ma ma ga ga ni sa ni ga ma ga re ga ma ma ni ma ga re sa re ga ma ga re sa ni sa ni ga ma ga re ga ma ma ni ma ga re sa re ga ma ga re sa ni sa re ga sa ni sa re ga sa 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 ni ga ma ga ma ga sa 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 ni ga ma ga ma ga sa 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 ni ga ma ga ma ga sa ni
Thank you, Advika, for gracing us with your beautiful performance. Your talent and dedication continues to inspire us all, and we are so proud to see how far you have come since you began your dance journey. Now, I would like to take a 2 minutes of time to thank you, Shruti ma'am, for the beautiful musical accompaniment. Their soulful additions enhance each performance, greeting, an atmosphere of grace and divinity. We are truly fortunate to have such talented artists supporting us and enriching our program with their music. Thank you so much, Shruti ma'am. Can I have a round of applause for Shruti ma'am, please? Thank you. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to Shiva for his effort in photography and videography. His keen eye and dedication ensures that these precious moments are beautifully captured, allowing us to cherish them forever. Thank you, Shiva. Next, we have Todaya Mangalam, a vibrant and auspicious combination in Ragam, Gambhira Nattai and Talam Adi. This piece will be performed by our talented young dancers Harshita, Krishika, Akshara and Amaira. Let us welcome them with a big round of applause as they take the stage to present their divine offerings. மங்கையர்கரசி வனவகுள் பாவை வரிவலகை மடலாயி மங்கையர்கரசி வனவகுள் பாவை Thank you to the Todaya Mangalam team for the wonderful performance. Your energy and devotions truly set the tone for this auspicious evening. Now I would like to specially thank Bharatanjali Costumes for providing such stunning attire that enhances the beauty of our performances, and to Shivashakti Costumes for the ornaments that add a touch of elegance and traditions. Your contributions plays a vital role in bringing these performances to life. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to Ravi for his efforts in lightning. His expert touch and dedications have created the perfect ambience, highlighting the beauty of each performances and adding to the magic of this evening. Thank you so much all. Next, we have a beautiful Bharatanatyam Kirtanam Adiyin Kanna. This delightful piece in Ragam Mohana Kalyani and Talam Adi will be performed by our talented dancers Prisha, Srikriti, and Janvi. Let us warmly welcome them to the stage with a big round of applause.
ಕೂಟ